How to find CapCut ID. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find CapCut ID. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install CapCut application on your device, no matter whether you are on PC or the mobile devices. Now you need to locate CapCut app and then launch the CapCut application on your device. Wait for a few minutes and then you will easily launch the CapCut app on your device. At top left corner of the screen you will see your username as well as underneath that there is the CapCut ID. So this is the CapCut ID that is useful on our CapCut. So make sure to sign in to your account. If you haven't signed in, you can easily sign in. If you haven't signed in, then you won't be able to find your CapCut ID. But once you sign into your account, you can simply find out your CapCut ID. You can simply click on it, and then if you'd like to sign out, you can simply click on this two arrow like icon and sign out easily and sign into the other account and find other CapCut ID as well. So that is how we find the CapCut ID. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.